Albright with AVNation at CEDIA Expo 2021, talking with Robin Kemp from Screen Innovations. Thanks for having us, sir.
Pleasure to be here.
We've talked with you guys before. A couple years ago, the big talk was Janus. There are some updates to that. You've got some a product called Troy now that's
Troy,
got
yes.
updates to that. But first, I want to start in kind of this where we're standing in front of a pergola.
Sure.
So let's talk about outdoor. What's some of the things you guys started unveiling this week about outdoor?
So our outdoor trades, we're obviously very excited about these. This is a 100% dealer feedback driven design change. We've got this new architectural design. It's designed to either disappear into your structure or be prominently and proudly placed outside of it. Either way it works and either way it looks great. We have mostly obviously window shade fabrics, but we're also offering some projection fabrics as well, which is really exciting. Love to talk about those. The weave back here, and then this is a 360 screen back directly behind me. Both great fabrics. This one obviously can be used as a shade or a screen. This one is screen specific, but obviously will be used outdoors as well.
Talk about that for a second, about the ability to kind of, I guess, reutilize or use something that you can use it for one case, but also for another. When you're talking to clients and your dealers are talking to clients, what does that conversation look like? Where is it, where they're vacillating? I don't know if I want a projector or I want a screen. Where do they go down that road and we're like, you know what, I can get you both. How does that work?
So, well, it started with people calling, they want, hey, we want bug screen. And we're like, well, you can get dual purpose bug screen and window or shading, a little bit of climate control. And then it transitioned to, okay, now we've got this bug screen or a climate control environment. Now we want to add projection. We want to be able to enjoy the outdoor environment or really enjoy it by showing a movie out there. It just seemed natural, right? We're using this fabric for projection anyways. We have a version that is outdoor rated, 5-year warranty outdoor. You can hose it down if it gets dirty. Okay. And then you can still obviously project onto it and get a fantastic image, pair it with the right projector, and really enjoy your outdoor environment. Right.
You used a phrase earlier, architectural design. What does that mean?
So when you're putting something in a space like this right here, this is, if I raise up that shade, this is not a shade anymore. It's your architecture. It disappeared into the opening. On the other side, we have the cassette. We'll show you in a sec. Same thing. This is now prominent, but it looks fantastic. It looks like it's part of the design. We want things to flow inside and outside, so we're matching our interior look, our nano product, with the outdoor product, and the design just flows seamlessly throughout the house.
Okay. One thing that I mentioned Janus earlier, Screen Innovations started as a screen company, not to be silly.
Yep.
One of the things that I never expected out of you guys was a network product. So let's talk about your evolution here.
Sure.
And talk about Troy, but also talk about the updates you've done to Janus as well.
So, well, the evolution it seemed pretty natural, right? We want to be able to control the screen. We want it to work with as much as possible, kind of where Troy came from. We wanted it to work with everybody, regardless of what's available out there. We want you to be able to take whatever remote system you're used to using and you enjoy and you like the look of it and you've got some muscle memory for programming, go for it. Use that, pair it with Troy. Now you can control our screens and shades with basically just about anything you'd like out there. The updates for Janus, it's just we're building on the Janus system. You've got power and data through Janus. We're doing it over category cable. You can do 300-foot runs over Cat 5. It is size dependent, but you can get a lot of really decent sized shades out to 300 feet over category cable with Janus. There's add-ons you can add, a Fontis if you have only low voltage cable, but you still want hardwired communication. That pairs with Janus. Everything is building on the thing that came before it. Yeah. So I can add a spike, which not only bumps up the output of that voltage line, it's also great for those dealers who have muscle memory for category cable. Terminate Cat on both sides. You can tone it out. You know it's good. Plug it in on the Janus. Plug it in on the screen. You're done. It's plug and play, as easy as can be.
Awesome. Robin, if somebody wants to find out more about Screen Innovations.
Screeninnovations.com. I work for the design services department. All I do is I sit there, you tell me what you're looking for, you tell me what your clients want. I will tell you exactly what will work with that, what solutions will work, what you may want to look at, what to try. If you need to try to do something crazy or typically out of bounds, I will let you know what we think, if it would work, whether you should try it, maybe don't try it. Ask us, we are your experts, we're in your pocket. We have the collective knowledge base of all of our dealers and all the all of the information they've gathered and experience they've gained, and we're bringing it to your project.
All right, very good. Robin Kemp from Screen Innovations for us, for AVNation. Go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv, and find more videos from the show floor of CEDIA Expo 2021. Yes, we're actually on a show floor. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.